Namaste. In this another program, we are going to have yet another sample JSP program which will be using a Java class. So first we will be going to the Eclipse, then as usual, as you know, if we want to create a class, we will go to Java resources, then we will go to the package. In the previous lecture I have created this package Mahajan one. I will press the right mouse button, go to new and go to class. Okay, here you can give the name of the class that you want to use. Let it be the class students. Okay, if you are happy with the name, click on finish. So package Mahajan one is there. Now we are going to have some instance variables, that is member data of the class students. Say int roll no, and let me for roll number, and let me have some variables for collecting the marks. Okay, this is for marks in English MEng, and I have taken the data type to be float. Another variable for containing the marks in computers mcomp, int mcomp. Another variable with the name suppose mmaths for containing the marks in mathematics. Okay, these are our instance variables. Now we are going to have a constructor with arguments. As you know, the constructor is with the same name as the class name, and it is used to initialize the values of an object. So I'm going to have my formal parameters which are going to be with the same names as the names of instance variables, but don't worry, we will be using this keyword to distinguish the instance variables from the formal parameters. So these are our formal parameters. Now we are going to assign the values of formal parameters into respective instance variables. Okay, let me use the Java keyword this. So this dot roll underscore no means instance variable roll underscore no, and simple roll underscore no means the formal parameter roll underscore no, which is containing the value. And all these values of formal parameters are being assigned to the respective instance variables. Okay, right, good job. Lastly, this dot mmaths is equal to formal parameter mmaths. Okay, this is the end of the constructor. Now I want to have a method which will be calculating the percentage of marks. Let me give the comment about this, that this is a constructor. Okay, so here I am going to have a method which is supposed to calculate the percentage of marks. Let the name of the method be percentage. So I have written float percentage, and I have declared a simple float variable PC which is going to contain the percentage of marks. So the simple formula is we'll be adding up all the marks in individual subjects, then dividing with the maximum marks. I have assumed the maximum marks to be 300 multiplied by 100. That will calculate the percentage, and subsequently I would be returning the value of this variable PC which is containing the percentage. So that is the end of the class. Okay, now the task of writing the class is finished. So now I will be concentrating on creating my JSP program. I will go to web content, press the right mouse button, and as usual go to new and file, and you can give any name to your JSP program. Let it be say student program, anything .jsp. If you are happy with the name, click on finish. Okay, now we start with the HTML, then body tag, and now I am going to write the scriptlet tag, but before that let me give the comment that following is the, as you know, this is the comment tag, angular bracket starts, exclamation symbol, hyphen hyphen, and lastly it is closed with hyphen hyphen and closing angular bracket. Okay, now we are going to write the code within the scriptlet tag. This is your scriptlet tag. Here I have I'm going to declare an object of the employees. The name of the class is students, not employees. Okay, so but before that let me tell you, because we will be working in a package, so we will be calling it from the JSP program. So all the constructors and the methods, they ought to be public. Okay, so let me change the name of the class. It's not employees, it's students. Okay, new students. So this is going to instantiate an object of the students class. Right. So now what I will be doing is I would be passing, because we have got constructor with argument, I would be passing the 4 values. First one is pertaining to the roll number, and rest of the 3 values, they are pertaining to the marks in different subjects. Let me see the sequence. First is int, then float, then int, then float. Okay, this is suppose 90.99f, and last one is also of float data type. Okay, so your constructor would be executed. The class has been written in the package Mahajan 1. So what we will have to do is we will have to qualify the name of this class students with Mahajan 1. So instead of writing students, I would be writing Mahajan 1 dot students, and or the other way is we can simply import the package Mahajan 1. Mahajan 1 dot students. After executing this program, I would be using the import statement. Whichever suits you, you can use it. Okay, er dot. Okay, er dot, and I would be calling the method percentage. So whatever percentage will be returned, that will get stored into this float variable per, and using this inbuilt object out and the method println, I would be printing percentage plus concatenation symbol, and percentage has been collected in the variable per, so that will be printed. Okay, so I want to print the output in bold, so I will be using HTML tag B within double inverted commas. Okay, so far so good. That's it. Now this is your JSP code. Right, now let me execute the program. Go to run as and run on server, and here the output will be displayed. It is going to take some time. So in these 2 lectures we have learned that we can create any number of classes in the Java resources folder, and subsequently we can use those classes in our JSP program, and using those classes is quite simple. In the previous lecture I have used the expression tag because in the class we have got a static method which was returning a value. In the expression tag we call only those methods which are returning some value, and in this case I have gone in for a full-fledged class that is using a constructor. So this was the output, percentage is equal to, the right percentage was printed. Now I don't want to qualify the name of my class students with the package name Mahajan1. So what is the solution? We should go for import statement, and the syntax, as you know, goes like this: angular bracket starts, percentage symbol, @ symbol, then page, import is equal to name of the package, which is of course Mahajan1. So this is Mahajan1. So dot star means we can use all the classes. We can use all the classes and interfaces of this package Mahajan1. If I wanted to use only the students class, I would have written Mahajan1 dot students. So this is it.